welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got another unboxing today from Newhomy, who were kind enough to send me some items. So I'm going to start as per usual with the small one, and that's just because it's a lot easier to move out the way when I unbox the next one. So we do have a special diamond painting for this one. I do like doing the special diamond paintings quite often, to be honest, that or an off the canvas item. I find that they can be done in an evening, and I think that's what it is that I like. That I can sort of have instant satisfaction from a diamond painting, but this one really popped out at me. It is a dragonfly with a flower. We do get a toolkit, basic toolkit, boat wax pen, but it actually has quite a few, are they all the same? No, quite a few different shades of purple. So we've got some shading with crystals going on here. So all three of those purples are different numbers. So they do go in different places. But then we have some other nice pale colours. So we have some blue, some green, some yellow, and then we have these gorgeous iridescent ones. That's proper dragonfly to me. Proper dragonfly colours. Then we have some white pearls, some blue pearls, and then a couple of bigger ones, both in turquoise and in purple, which go down the body of the dragonfly. So those iridescent ones are number 5. Oh, so they go all the way around the outside of most of this. Those iridescent ones, they're sort of the outline colours, and I think that will really make it pop and sparkle. Can I get them back in? Get in. So yeah, that's the first one. Very pretty. Me like it. And then number 2. If I can get my scissors in the edge of the jiffy bag so we can see what this one is. So this one is a full diamond painting. This one is in round. So this is a round one. I was sort of attracted to the colour. I do like images with quite a bit of blue in it. They don't have oh no, they do. I thought they didn't have DMC numbers then. So if you look here, this is what I was looking at, the key. Quite simple letters and numbers, and we have 19 colours. So I thought it didn't have DMC numbers. But down here, it has the symbols again, but it has a DMC number with it. Very impressed. I do like it when they have DMC numbers. We get a basic toolkit with a couple of little baggies in it. And then let's have a look at some of these blues and turquoise that come in this one. Okay, I don't know where the beginning is. Oh, the beginning's here with 310. So there is some 310, though that is just little parts of the tree and across the bottom. Well, basically the branches really of the tree are in black. And we do have some greys, got a few different greys for shading. Then we come into some of the turquoise and the greens. A few more greens. These are more the background, the shading around here. And then we have a few more different colours. You do end up with purple in it. Again, that'll be for shading. Gorgeous greys. And then look at that teal. That is a nice colour. So that's number 17, which on here is M, which is 3808. And that is a lot of the tree. Yeah, there's quite a few different colours in the tree. There's quite a few different turquoise there as well. So yeah, I think that one is going to be rather nice. Let me see if I actually got those folded up right. If I did, they can go back in. If I didn't, they're not. Oh, I did. Bonus. So yeah, it was just the image. It just, yeah, if it jumps out at me, it's like gotta be done. And then last but by no means least, we have a big one. Oh, I forgot to measure these actually. Let's just take a step back. So this first one is down as a 30 by 40, but the actual image size is just short of 34 by 24. So quite a big border, 3 centimetres around each way. And this one is also down as a 30 by 40, and that one is near a 35 by 25, so this sort of more standard 5 centimetre border. Okay, back to the big one. So this one, oh yes, this is a 90 by 45, but it's going to have a lot of black in it, I think, a lot of white in it, possibly quite a bit of 939 in it as well. It is round, and you do get 2 toolkits with this one, but isn't that stunning? Isn't that absolutely stunning? And it does have quite a bit of confetti, considering it's very much a black and white image. There is some big blocks of white here, but all in here, in between that, is all quite a bit of confetti. Not too much, but there is quite a bit of confetti up there, which keeps the painting interesting. And then you do have some blocks mixed in. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, do we have 310? Yes, we do have 310. We do have 939. We have 3865, which is your white, and we do have 3072, which is sort of a very light pale green. Let's see if we have any double bags. It has 22 colours. Excuse the noise. And it is in a round, so it will be a bit quicker to do. Let's see if I can get hold of the end. Bear with me. Sorry, just had a call. Oh, so that is, hang on. Oh no, that's right. That is number 1. I was like that. I thought the first one was 310. No, it's not. It's 169. So it's sort of this greeny colour. You do tend to find there is a lot, even though it's a black and white image, you do tend to find diamonds wise, there's quite a lot of pale greens and purples. And you sort of think, how on earth does that work? Hang in there. It works. I've definitely done it before. So there is some sort of greeny colour. Look, that's the 310. So don't be afraid by the 310. Quite a few greys, of course, bluey greys, quite a few more. So if you're afraid of grey, this might not be the painting for you, because we've definitely got some more light grey. But there's not a lot of 310, so that's always good. Then we've got some beiges, and we've got some hints of green, more grey. That's 762. Number 11. Yeah, that's 762. Then we've got some of your blues, dark green. There's some of the purples that I said will be in there. And then we've got some more purples and greens. And then we've got this paler green. That's the 3072. It's like a very pale green, can be borderline white. Then we've got some greys. And then we do actually have some white as well. But on a painting this size, to only have 2 bags that are white, I think is pretty good. Especially if you don't like doing too many, you know, of the black or the white. I mean, if I held up, see if that'll focus in. Can you see how much confetti there sort of is to get the effect of those trees? And that's got the purples and the greens in it and everything, along with the likes of the black and the 3865. You do have some blocks of the same colour, but then you do end up having the shading scattering in. And then again, when it comes to the tiger, you'll have the odd, you know, same sort of symbols scattered around a stripe, but there's actually a few different symbols scattered around it as well. So a nice mixture painting. So what does this one measure? So it's down as a 90 by 45. It actually measures 85 by 40. So it's 85 by 40, so it's a 5 centimetre border, which is the usual, but I think he's stunning. I think he's going to be a really nice one to do. So we have tiger, we have the beautiful blue tree, and the stunning sparkling dragonfly. I will pop links down below to all of these, of course, but thank you again to Newhomy for sending them to me, and thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.